Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Highlander 2009, only way. Warm the engine briefly, park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and set wheel chocks. Gather a 17 mm socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan, new filter, and 5W30 oil. Use a funnel for clean pouring and a torque wrench for the drain plug. Check oil level with the dipstick after running the engine briefly. In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Highlander 2009, only ways. Position the drain pan under the oil pan, then loosen the drain plug carefully with a 17 mm socket. Remove the oil filler cap to aid draining, and let oil flow until it drips slowly. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten to spec. Prepare the new filter by applying oil to its gasket before installation for a proper seal. In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Highlander 2009, only way. Quick recommendation. If you want cleaner shop lunches, these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for preventing spills and saving time between steps. They stack neatly on a workbench and keep tools grease away from your food. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Highlander 2009, only way. After draining, clean the drain area and inspect for debris, then install the new crush washer and tighten the drain plug to spec. Remove and replace the oil filter, hand tighten plus a quarter turn or use the torque guideline. Refill with the correct amount of 5W30 oil, start the engine briefly, then check the dipstick and top off as needed for proper level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.